So we made it to Marina Navarta, and this is the Bayview Grand. You can see the pool and the ocean with the beach. So nice spot. I'll give you a tour of the unit. Say hi, Kyla. So we're here for 3 or 4 days anyway. So these are big units. They've got the big king bed here and seating, kitchen area, which is nice, and then there's like a bit of a lock off here. So here's the spot we're staying in. Hard to beat that. So this is a view from our sort of outside balcony, and there's the golf course you can see, and over there are the tennis courts, maybe pickleball courts, I'm not sure. It doesn't, maybe, but definitely big golf course. And then that's the airport right there. So you can see the airport running all the way across. More hotels, condos, ocean. Cool. All right, we're heading down from the 12th floor down to the bottom. That's the Oceane. That was my Italian Mexican. Alright, so we got our DD driver, got a Stitch motorcycle. So we got all our groceries delivered for the next few days. Alright, so here we are. This is the Bayview Grand. You can see all the buildings. I'm not sure how many there are. Lots though. Beautiful grounds. And the pool's out here. Different perspective from the ground level. So here's the pool, open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Big, huge pool. And then this is a restaurant and bar at the pool. More pool. And I guess the end pools are heated and the middle pools are not. So these are cooler pools, the big ones. And then this is the ocean and the beach. So I'll give you, that's like Puerto Vallarta over there. Ocean here. And then this is the Bayview Grand and the pool. All the buildings. And we're in building, what, C? We're in this one here, I think. All these buildings. All the way around. Lots of units. Beautiful spot though. We're heading to the pier because we're on a tour, a bioluminescence tour. So we're gonna get on a boat, right? Get on a boat. Yeah. 36 people supposedly, in different boats maybe. And we're gonna go out somewhere and look at glowing water. So that's the plan. And watch the sunset. That's right. Glowing water and sunset.
That they sell. So if I have munchies, but I like to come here.
We've been there before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the shots, they are different. So if you want to know why they are different, you gotta come.
Oh, the condos overlooking the beach. We're walking off the end of the pier, I think. So we are actually walking off the end of the pier. Didn't know that this was even here. So this is kind of cool. The boats, fishing boats. People fishing off the pier. Got the National Guard. Here we are. Here's the easy fishing. Got the bait here. Got the fishing line.
All the fishermen in Puerto Vallarta, they like to come and try to canoe. If you like fishing.
So we're just gonna look out, I think. He's gonna show us the pier.
Oh shit.
Pirate shit. There's our boat, the red and white boat. Apropos, red and white realty boat coming up.
Don't worry about that, don't worry. Leave it. Huh? Okay, once you're in the boat, please. 1, 2, 3. Excelente.
Perfecto.
Perfecto, more than perfect.
Okay, gracias.
Keep it wait a minute.
Okay.
Yeah. This is her. Here you are. Ok, gente, familia, vamos a tratar de tomar asiento ahorita lo que viene siendo 3 en 3. We're gonna Zapacho, Sayulita, have you listened about Sayulita town? Then we didn't have a proper airport to receive that amount of tourists, and we also didn't have the big cruise, the marine.
There's a restaurant for sale.
David,
Yes, sir.
can I take you off?
Sunset.